Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Hello. Welcome to IEP English. Today is Wednesday. It's our second period of the week. Yes, I will start if we will reach 30 viewers for this afternoon. Okay? I want everyone to listen and to watch teacher. You can eat while you watch. For now, we have 5 students watching. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Radha. Hello. Good afternoon, Kitty, number 25. Hello, we have, who else? Sopanot 4/5, number 19. Hello, good afternoon. We have students from Bell class. Yes, you are welcome to learn with teacher Ivy today. Yes, we have number 31 from 4/3. And we have Kira Picha from 4/3. We have Kun. Hello, Kun. How are you? Why are there less people? I don't know, Kitty. Maybe some students are sleeping because it's 1 in the afternoon. But do not sleep because today we will learn something new. Okay? Yes, there are only few students watching. We have Ern. Hello, Ern. We have Arista. We have Arfan. Hello, Arfan. We have Big. Hello, how are you? I miss all of you. I wish we can go back to school, but it's okay. It's better to be safe. Okay, we have 12, 13 students watching. Hello, good afternoon. We have Tanagrid. Yes. We have Tanagrid. We have Front. Hello, Front. Good afternoon. Now we have 13. I will start if we will reach 30 or 40. Okay? Because we only have 40 minutes class for today. We will not sing and we will not dance. So for now, stretch your arms, stretch your body. Do not sleep. You can eat, you can drink water, you can drink milk, you can bring food while you are watching and while you are learning. Okay? Yes, we have Budakon. Hello, Budakon. How are you? We have Prachiran Roch. Okay, I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce your name properly. Hello, Nam. Yes, konnichiwa. Punia. Hello, number 8. Puarit. Supawich. Hello. Good afternoon. Now we have 22, 21 students watching. Potato. Oh, here you are again. Stop calling me potato. Who else? We have Jirat. Hello, Jirat. We have Arnon. Arnon. Hello, good afternoon. It's afternoon. We have Yayar. Hello, Yayar. We have number 4 from 4/7. Okay, later if you want to answer, don't forget to write your name, your room number or your class, and your student number. For example, Kun 4/7, number 5. Okay? Don't forget to write your name and your number and your room. We have Piruit from 4/8. Hello. Who else? We have Virat Pool. Good afternoon. Pitapong. Hello. Queen Bees. Arista, I am a potato. Yeah, you are not. You are very beautiful. Don't call yourself potato. We have Pimada. Hello, Pimada. We have Arya from 4/8. Number 27 from 4/7. Pepper from 4/7. Hello. We have, we're almost 30 viewers. So if we reach 30, teacher will start. We have Jaunai. Hello. Where are the students from 4/8? If you are from 4/8, comment heart. And if you are from 4/7, comment a smiley face. Okay, let's see where are the students from 4/8 and 4/7. We have boss. Hello, boss. We have tittery. Patara 4/7 is coming. Yes, I will wait for you. Patara. We have Pachara from 4/7. Okay, I can see students commenting hard. Yes, hello, students from 4/8. And I can see students from 4/7. They are commenting a smiley face. Okay, again, comment in English because this is English class. Later on, if I will ask questions and if you want to answer, don't forget to write your name, number, and your class because your comments or your answer in the comments will serve as your speaking test. Okay? Your comments will be graded. I will give points if you answer in the comments with your name, your number, and your class. Okay? Yes, I can see students commenting hard. Hello, 4/8. And there are students commenting a smiley face. Hello, room 4/7. Okay, let's start because we have 30 viewers, 30 students watching. Only few students are watching now. Okay, make sure you listen to our discussion for today because tomorrow we are going to have a listening test. Okay, and if we have extra time, we will have a short quiz for reading test. Okay, so make sure you listen carefully. Okay, now let us start. Later, if we have extra time, we will dance. Okay, but now we need to learn first. All right? Okay, let us start. Let's review some of the vocabulary words that we have discussed yesterday. Okay? Who can remember what is this picture? Let's see. Okay? Who can remember what is this picture? It's a thought. It starts with letter I, okay? For now, teacher did not put the Thai translation. Let's see if you can answer it in English. Yes, we have Notagrid. Your answer is correct. We have Akadej. Your answer is correct. The word is idea. Okay, again, everyone read idea. Okay, I can see a lot of you are answering. Your answers are correct. Okay, next word. Look at this picture. What do you call this one? Who can guess? Who can remember this picture? It means to what? To grow, to be mature. What is that? It starts with letter D. What is the word? Let's see who got it first. Again, if you want to answer, do not forget to write your name, your room, and your number because I will record your answers. You will have points. We have Arfan following instruction. Very good. His answer is develop. That is correct. Again, everyone read idea. Next, develop. Develop means to grow. Okay? Remember these words. You can write these words in a paper because tomorrow we will have spelling test for these words. Okay? Next. How about this picture? What do you call this one? You can see this in a factory. What is that? It starts with letter M. Who can remember the word? It starts with letter M. Yes, Patiya got it first. Kitty, you are correct. The word is machine. Again, everyone say machine. Okay, very good, Peach. Correct. Who else? Cloud, that is correct. Your answers are correct. The word is machine. Okay, again, machine. You can see machines in what? In the factory. Okay. Next, how about this picture? It is an act of what? Inventing something. It starts with letter I. Let's see, you can remember. Again, it is an act of inventing something, making something. Yes, who's the first one? We have Akadej. Number 2 from 4/8. Your answer is correct. The word is invention. Again, invention. Okay, how about this picture? Ooh, let's see if I can remember the Thai translation for this one. I think this is antalai. Okay, who can remember this word? It starts with letter D. Let's see who can answer it first. Yes, still number 2. Akadej, your answer is correct. The word is dangerous. Again, everyone read dangerous. Okay, the only Thai word that I can remember is dangerous because it's the first word yesterday. It's antalai, but the others I cannot remember the Thai translation. Okay, now I want you to look at this picture. If you have your books, you can open your books on page 75. Okay? Now I want everyone to look at the picture. What do you call this one? This first picture. We have two types of clocks, right? We have analog clock and digital clock. So this one is an example of a digital clock. Okay, the other one is analog clock. The one that is circle. Yes, circle with 12 numbers. That is an analog clock. But this one, it's called what? It's called digital clock. How about this one? This is very easy. Oh, I will go to sleep now. Academics, do not sleep because we are having class. Okay, what do you call this one? Okay, very good. It's called mobile phone. Okay, who has mobile phone here? Who has mobile phone? Oh, I have a mobile phone. How about the others? Do you have your own mobile phone, or do you use your mom's or your dad's mobile phone? Yes or no? Smartphone, yes, wow. Kitty has her own mobile phone. Also, Akadij. Very good. Akadij is still answering. He is not sleeping. That's good. Okay, how about this one? What do you call this one? You listen to music if you have this one. It's called, what do you call this device? It's called MP3 player. Now this one is the earphones, but this device is called MP3 player. In the MP3 player, you listen to music. Okay? Understand? Again, this is an example of digital clock. This one, mobile phone. And the third one is an MP3 player. Okay, now I have a question for you. What's the same about all these things? What's the same with all these devices? What is similar between all the three devices? What is the same thing? What's the similarity between all of these devices? Do you have any idea? Well, they use digital technology. Again, all these devices use digital technology. What do you mean by digital technology? Do you have any idea what is a digital technology? Oh, I will give 2 points to those who can answer. You can search in Google. I will give you time. I will give you 30 seconds to search. What is a digital? What do you mean by digital technology? No one? Okay. When we say digital technology, this is an electronic tool, system, and devices and resources that generate or store or process data. Okay, I will make it simple for you. It is a device or it is a tool to store information. You put information in it, okay? So you store or it process data, it process information. So that is digital. Understand? All right. Next, Okay, who can remember this place? In Unit 6, what is our country? What country did we discuss in Unit 6? Let's see if you can still remember this country, okay? What is this? Where is this? Where is this country? Okay, very good, Akadich. Your answer is correct. It's in South Korea. Very good. You can still remember now. What does it look like? Look at the picture. What does Korea look like? Okay, wait. We have here Pitakpong. He says express a series of digits from 0 to 1. No, that is for mathematics, but we are talking about digital technology. Okay? Again, digital technology is a device or a tool or a system that process data or information. Okay, now let's go here. It has, okay, Fong says Notagrade says it has light. Kitty says it has robots. Now, how the picture, what can you see about the picture? It has lights and it's modern and very busy. You see this one? These are cars. The streets are very busy. It has many, many cars. Now, I want to ask you, would you like to live here? I think you want to live here because some of you are a fan of K-pop. That's why you want to live in Korea. But look at the picture. Look at South Korea. Imagine yourself. Do you want to live in South Korea? Yes or no? No? Okay, Kitty says no. Akadej says no. Okay, no one wants to live in Korea. You still want to live in Thailand. Okay, it's okay. Me too. I want to live in Thailand because Thailand is very cheap. The food is very cheap, so it's a good place to be. Okay, almost everyone says no. You don't want to live in Korea. Okay, it's okay because I know you want to live in Thailand. Okay, now. Okay, since we are discussing about Korea, the country of Korea, so today we are going to talk about the digital technology in South Korea. Again, everyone, let's read. Digital technology in South Korea. Thai is our country. Yes, I know that Thailand is your country. That's why you want to live in Thailand and not in South Korea. But it's okay. Okay, since we are talking about South Korea, so we are going to discuss about the digital technology in that country. Now, look at this picture. The students or the kids are what? They're having tablets. They're using I want to be Spanish. Tata Pong says he wants to be Spanish. Oh, I can speak Spanish. Hola, mi amigo, ¿cómo estás? Yes. Okay, how about this one? Look at the picture. Enough with the Spanish. Look at the picture. Yes, the kids are using what? They are using tablets. They are using iPads. So they are using the touch screen technology. Nowadays, we are in the 21st century. We are almost using digital stuff. We are almost using everything is touch screen. Look at our TV. Before, in our time, our board is just we are just using markers or chalk. But now here you are using touch screen boards. It's very advanced, right? Okay, Kitty said I will be right back. Okay, it's okay, Kitty. Now, if you have your books with you, you can open it on page 75. Okay? Everyone, again, if you have your books with you right now, you can open your books on page 75 and you can read while you are listening to the audio. Okay? Comment like if you can hear the audio properly. Okay? I will play it now.
Pupils Book, Unit 6, page 75. 5. Listen and read. How many of these inventions do you use? Which is the most useful to you? Why?
South Korea is a country in Asia. It isn't a large country, but more than 50 million people live there. South Korea is one of the most modern and developed countries in the world, with a very important electronics industry. South Korea also has some of the most interesting ideas in the world of technology. You probably use many of these inventions every day. But did you know that they come from South Korea? For example, have you got a mobile phone or a tablet? South Korean scientists invented the touchscreen. Before this invention, people had to press buttons or use a special kind of pen to give instructions to the machine. It's much easier to give the instructions with your fingers. South Korea also invented the first MP3 player. In the past, people collected big round records or cassettes of their favorite music. The invention of the MP3 player was the beginning of mobile digital music. You can now take your music with you and listen to it anywhere, on a bus, on a train, or in bed. In the past, you could take your music with you, but the machines were big and uncomfortable to carry. Does anyone in your family have a smart card to travel around the city? It's a card that you use to pay for your journeys on buses and trains, and it's also a South Korean invention. Have you ever seen an internet cafe? Again, it's a South Korean invention. You can see why South Korea is so important in the world of technology, can't you?
All right. Did you hear it clearly? Yes or no? Okay, don't worry because I will read it again for you. Okay? Now, South Korea is a country in Asia. It isn't a large country, but more than 50 million people live there. South Korea is one of the most modern and developed countries in the world with a very important electronics industry. Okay, now, again, where is South Korea? What continent does South Korea belong? Let's see if you are listening. Let's see if you can answer. Yes, Akadensha, super hyper digital country. Yes, they are very good with electronics. They are good in the electronics industry. Now, I'm asking, where is South Korea? What do you think is the continent of South Korea? Is it in America? Is it in Europe? Or is it in Asia? Let's see if who can answer first. What continent does South Korea belong? It is in the first paragraph. If you are listening and if you are reading, you can answer it. Yes, very good, Akadich. Your answer is correct. South Korea is in Asia. Very good. Jarapon, your answer is correct also. Now, this one. How many people live there? Okay, it is still in the first paragraph. The answer is in the first paragraph. What or how many people live there? What is the population of South Korea? It's millions and millions of people. So how many millions of people live in South Korea? Yes, Akadich, you are correct. Your answer is correct. The answer is 50 million people. So there are a lot of people in South Korea. Imagine 50 million. Whoa. Okay, now let's go here. South Korea also has some of the interesting ideas in world technology. You probably use many of these inventions every day. But did you know that they come from South Korea? For example, you have got a mobile phone or a tablet. South Korea scientists invented the touch screen. Okay, look at this one. South Korea invented the touchscreen technology. So people there, they are the first one to use the touchscreen technology. Before this invention, people had to press buttons or use special kind of pen to give instruction to the machine. It's much easier to give instructions with your fingers. So before, South Korea used these kinds of phones. Not only South Korea, but also other countries. We use phones that like this, right? We use keypad phones, not touch screen phones. I remember when I was still in Pratom and I was still studying in Matayum, this is my phone. I use keypad phones, right? Do you use that? Right now, I think some of you have this kind of phones, right? Who has this kind of phone? Yes, this is an old phone. That's why people before, they use this kind of phone. But now, people use touchscreen phones, okay? So South Korea also invented MP3 player. But in the past, people collected big round records or cassettes for their favorite music. So before the 21st century, people use this one. People use cassettes. People use tapes to listen to music. It's very hard if you want to listen to music and you are traveling and you are using this one because people in the past they use this kind. Yes, used for DJ. Not only for DJ, but in the old times, people use this kind of device or this kind of tool to listen to music, like a cassette. They use cassettes. They use like this cassette tapes to listen to music. So other people, if they want to listen, they need to carry it everywhere, and it's very heavy, right? But right now, the inventions of MP3 player was the beginning of the mobile digital music. In the 21st century, we are now using this kind of devices. We are using MP3 players. So it's not hard for you to listen to music. If you are in the bus, you can listen to music because you have this one. If you are going to travel, you can listen to music. It's easy to carry. You can put it in your pocket, you can put in your bag, you can just carry it with your hands. So it's easier for you, right? It's very convenient for you to use. So you can now take music with you and listen to it everywhere on a bus, on a train, or just on your bed, right? So you have this one. You can just put on your earphones or your AirPods, so you can listen to music very easier. You can listen to it much easier. Now, in the past, we could take music with you, but the machines were big and uncomfortable to carry. Okay, that's what I said earlier. I see it picture in people running. Yes, people who are running, they use this one, this device. They use MP3 players to listen to music. Or if they go to the gym, if they want to exercise, they use this kind of device. Yes, that is correct, Akadej. Okay, next. Does anyone have a smart card? Do you know what is a smart card? Here in Thailand, if you want to ride a BTS train, you use rabbit card, right? But in Korea, they use smart card. It is a card that you use to pay for your journey or for your travel. You use it to. You can use the smart card in buses and in trains. It's the same here in Thailand. I think in Thailand you also have this one. No, credit card is not the same with smart card. Smart card is used if you want to travel, like if you want to ride a bus or a train. Here in Thailand, I think if you ride a BTS train, there is a rabbit card, right? You can use a rabbit card. But in Korea, they call it smart card. Understand? Okay. Now, next is South Korea also invented what? This one. They also invented, or they also one of the first countries who invented this kind of stuff. It's a internet cafe. Here in Thailand, do you have internet cafes? Yes or no? Yes, a game store, or this is a place where you can play games or you can surf the internet. In the Philippines, we have this one. We have internet cafes. You can play games in this cafe. There are a lot of different people. There are students. There are a lot of people who play games here. Do you have like this in Thailand too? Do you have internet cafe? I haven't seen any internet cafes here in Thailand. I don't know, but maybe you have internet cafes here. Because in my country, we have internet cafes. You can play Dota, you can play Minecraft, Valorant here. Yes, any games. And you can also surf the net. You can, if you don't have computers in your home, you can just go to internet cafes and you can search, right? So it is also very helpful for other people, for those who don't have internet at home or computers at home. So other people go to internet cafes, right? Yes, you can play here. You can play um, in the internet cafe. I think Thailand have that place. Yes, I think so. I think Thailand have internet cafes, but I haven't seen any internet cafes so far. Computer is 9 baht. Oh, 1 hour is 9 baht. I don't know. I don't know because I haven't been to an internet cafe here in Thailand. But if you have been to an internet cafe, comment down below what is your experience in the internet cafe. When your friend is hothead here because they lost. Yes, there are people who's hot-headed here who has headache because they are playing games and they lost the game. Yes, it's very chaotic in this place. Yes, academic. Okay, now let's see. Who can remember the 5 inventions of South Korea? Who can remember? Okay, comment down one by one the five inventions of South Korea. Yes, people destroyed a table. They destroyed a table because they lost the game. Okay, enough with the internet cafe. Now let's discuss what are the 5 inventions of South Korea. Let's see if who can remember. Who can remember this one? It's called what? This is called touch screen. Okay, touch screen technology. Okay, again, touch screen. Okay, the spelling of the other students is wrong. Please check your spelling. How about this one? Who can remember this device? MP3 player. Very good, Book and Big. Your answer is correct. This is an MP3 player. Again, you use MP3 player to listen to music. Okay? Next, how about this one? It's very easy. I think you can answer this one. Let's see who can answer it first. This one is very easy. Okay. Again, if you want to answer, don't forget to write your name, your number, and your room, because your comments or your answer in the comment box will serve as your speaking test. Okay. Chachaya number 29 from 4/7 says mobile phone. Very good. So this is a mobile phone. How about this one? It's very easy. You play here and you lost your game here. What is it? Front says phone. Okay, very good, Front. Now we have 48 students watching. Where are the other students? Arfan says computer. Yes, it can be a computer, but what do you call the shop? You play here. You play games here. You surf the internet here. What do you call this place? It's a place. It's 2 words. Arcade. Yes, it can be an arcade. It can be a game store. It's not an arcade. It's not an arcade. It can be a game store, or it's called internet cafe. Again, Okay, very good. Chachaya, number 29 from 4/7. She answered, or he answered. Chachaya is a girl. Okay, she answered internet cafe. That is correct. How about this one? It's very easy. The answer is in the picture. What do you call this one? People from South Korea use this card when they travel, when they want to pay for their travel, when they are riding a bus or a train. What do you call this one? It's not a credit card. A credit card is different. Okay. Oh, Akadij, your answer is correct. Very good. Warit, your answer is correct. Okay, this is called a smart card. You use this card when you want to pay for your travel, for your journey. If you are riding a bus or if you are riding a train. Here in Thailand, we use rabbit card. But in Korea, they use smart cards. Okay? Okay, now we have 4 minutes left. We will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow, we will have a short game, very short game before we proceed to our listening test. We will have inventions and inventors, okay? I want you to study tomorrow. Study what are the inventions and inventors. Tomorrow, I will show you pictures of, example, this one. Who invented the telephone? Tomorrow, we will play this game, but we only have we have 4 minutes left, and I want you to scan for the QR code. So tomorrow we will discuss this one. You can study ahead of time. You can study inventions and inventors. We will play this one for 10 minutes and then we will have listening tests. Okay? Okay, everyone, you can scan the QR code or you can type the link. So this will be your attendance for this morning. This afternoon, I'm sorry. Scan the QR code or type the link. You can click the link on the comment box. Yes, the link is in the comment box, or you can just scan the QR code. Don't forget to fill up the form and write your name and every information because it will serve as your attendance for this afternoon. Okay? Comment like if you are done. Is everyone finished? Okay, again, you can click the link in the comment box or scan the QR code. Okay, I think that is it for this afternoon. See you again tomorrow. Don't forget to study and you can review again the video. And tomorrow we will have listening test. Akadich says, I like English. Yes, that's good, Akadich. Plus points for you. Bye.